Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your Xiaomi TV Box 3S. To reset your device to factory settings or factory defaults, we're gonna have to navigate to quick settings icon on the home screen, then open all settings, and then here navigate down to system. Then in system, let's select about, and then select reset, then factory reset, and then confirm. Select erase everything on the following screen, and then wait until factory data reset is performed on your TV box. So right now we just have to wait for maybe a couple of minutes. And right now the factory reset operation is finished. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.